My name is Rulli, and I have the pleasure of directing the clinical programs here at Penn Law School. And one of the responsibilities, I teach a legislative clinic. In the legislative clinic, second and third year students take the course and get the opportunity in the classroom to learn about legislative process, statutory drafting, statutory construction, and legislative advocacy, and then apply the theory that they're learning in the classroom to the actual deliberative process of Congress, of elected officials, and of national nonprofit organizations that are advocating for change from the outside. Students spend 2 days a week in Washington, D.C. at their placements, actively engaged in all of those areas of legislative activity. Students get a sophisticated understanding of legislative process and lawmaking, but they build also important relationships with people on the Hill that will come back in future years to serve them well. And they have the opportunity to understand what it really means to represent a client who is seeking legislative change, to remedy a problem that they're facing, and how to go about that in a forum that's different than what they're often accustomed to. Graduates of our legislative clinic have gone on to accept important positions in Washington, in the offices of legislative affairs at the White House, and on behalf of key senators and their staff counsel on committees in both the House of Representatives and in the Senate. And in those capacities, they are making an important difference for the nation and at the same time continuing to help our students in the legislative clinic. Our students get exciting opportunities. In the Senate Judiciary Committee, they're involved with the confirmation process of leading jurists to the Supreme Court of the United States and to the circuit courts. And I remember receiving an email one night about 10 o'clock. It was from a student who was on the floor of the Senate. He'd working with the Senate Finance Committee, and an important stimulus bill was before the Senate. And he wrote to me, "Professor, you won't believe what I'm doing right now. I'm on the floor of the Senate. I'm drafting legislation relating to the stimulus bill. It's an incredible experience."